Hello guys, I'm Ryan from Liebty Construction Machinery Company. Today I want to introduce the LIUGONG 913E. Let's go! Okay, first, let me show you the engine of this excavator. This 913F excavator is equipped with an advanced atomic engine rated at 89 kW and adopts efficient combustion technology, which not only provides strong power output but also ensures excellent fuel economy. LIUGONG 913E excavator weighs 13,500. It ensuring its stability and reliability under various complex working conditions. Bucket capacity is also one of important factors to measure the operator capacity of an excavator. The standard bucket capacity of the LIUGONG 913E excavator is 0.55 cubic meter, which is suitable for medium and large earthwork excavation operations. Let me introduce the chassis to you. The 913E has a sturdy and stable chassis that can easily operate on different terrains. Its compact size also makes it highly maneuverable in narrow spaces, while the reinforced bone and steel provide extra strength for heavy tasks. Last, let's have a look about the cab of the excavator. The cab is designed for operator comfort, with ergonomic controls and clear vision to reduce fatigue during long hours of work. The 913E is also equipped with modern technologies such as intelligent control systems to improve fuel efficiency and operational accuracy. The LIUGONG 913E excavator has become a powerful assistant in engineering construction. If you're interested in this model, please feel free to contact me. See ya!